welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you're here today. Today I am wearing Kendall by a new brand for me, Henry Margu, and I am so excited. I have wanted to take the leap into Henry Margu wigs, and I was just kind of intimidated by the colors. If you've ever looked at the color palette for Henry Margu, just in their brunettes alone, they have a 4H, a 5H, a 6H, a 7H, an 8H, an 814H, and it's just a lot of colors, and I was having a hard time navigating what I wanted to do, but I decided to just take the leap. I saw this color on a few other women, and I looked like a gorgeous brunette, and I'm so happy that I chose it. So this is 814H. So it is an 8, an ashy brown, with a 14 highlight. And when you see that H in a color, then you're gonna know that that tells you that you're gonna see a visible highlight, and you can see the highlight in it, but it is so well done. It is just so pretty. I'm so happy with it. So I'll do a turn so you can see the style and you can see the highlight all the way around. So here's my right side, the back, my left side, and back to the front. So Kendall, I have had her on my list for such a long time, and I've just thought, she's so cute, she's so cute, she's so cute. But like I said, I was a little intimidated by the colors and all that. So as far as cap construction, she is a full mono top. So I don't have another Henry Margu wig, but I will show you a mono top on this particular wig. So full mono top, lace front all the way across, ear tab, all the way from ear tab to ear tab. And when you get off the monotop, so the monotop is hand tied, and then you get into the wefting. She's open wefting all through, and she has permatease, okay? So I know that I'm all the time saying I'm not a big permatease person. However, I have to say I'm okay with the permatease in this wig. I've been wearing her before I ever did a review. I wanted to make sure that I liked her, so I've worked out the little kinks of, you know, do I like the permatease? Can I deal with it? And I can. It's good. I'm fine with it. So as you can see, she's laying pretty flat on me right now. And I have not had a problem with her as I go throughout the day with her poofing up on me. That's something that I don't like about permatease, and that's a problem I've had in the past. So that's one of my negatives, but I have not had that problem with this. My second negative about permatease that I don't always like is that sometimes it pops through and you can see little hairs. This does not have those little hairs poking through. It has more of like a little teasing at the wefts. And that's the way permatease should be done, in my opinion. It is not gonna stick out and look crazy, and with this full mono top, you still have a very natural top. This is completely hand tied up here. So it just works really well, and it's a beautiful style. I have just been loving this hair, and every time I'm out in it, my husband loves it. My friends are like, oh, that's so pretty, you know, and I'm really happy with it. I'm just so excited. I never had curly hair when I had hair. It was always really straight. So I'm just loving this wavy hair. So not curly, wavy, as you can see. But she's holding her wave pattern really, really well. I've seen people make comments that sometimes wave patterns come out of it. They feel like the wave pattern relaxes and comes out of a wig. So far, I have not had that problem with her. So I've been really, really happy. So let's talk about her lace front. Lace front is really, really good. So one way that I've been styling her, we'll just show both of these at the same time. I wore her the other day, and I wore her like full on, check the lace front with a bump on top here. Hold on, it's hard to do a good job of it without having a mirror. But anyway, so that gets that out of the way. So you can see that lace front. Really, really good. I mean, I'm just so happy. It's just really natural. Lays right up against my head. No tape, no glue needed. Just really pretty, very natural. I like they kind of do the same thing like Raquel Welch, where they're thinning those hairs out a little bit. Not such a heavy hairline, which makes it look much more natural, which I really like. So as you can see, there's one way I style her. We'll just get to that right now. So I've been pulling her back like that. She's a versatile wig. She's just like the other wavy wigs. You know, she can be pulled back in a clip like this, pull down some little tendrils, you know, around there. Really, really pretty wig. So ear tabs are very nice as well. Really good, flush against my face. Now, I have had some questions about, can you put her, you know, I saw a lady in a wig group that I'm in, and she said, these women in these wig reviews aren't showing whether or not you can tuck it behind the ears. So I have shown that in some of my other reviews. This one, with it being a bulkier, wavier wig, I am not a huge fan. I mean, it can be tucked, but, well, it's not too bad. It can be tucked. It doesn't make my ears stick out, which is good. But for me personally, I don't know. I just think it's kind of too much hair to have stuck behind my ears. That's my opinion. Only my opinion. So, you know, you're welcome to wear it however you like. It's your hair. So, but anyway, that's a question that I've been seeing. So it is tuckable, but I think it's kind of bulky for that personally. So anyway, so like I said, I've been pulling her back. She can also be pulled into a small ponytail. She has an extended nape, so that looks really pretty. If you pull her back, you want to make sure that you flatten that nape up against your neck so that you don't give away that there's something under there that's not on your head. So I want to give you her measurements before I forget. Her measurements she has a lot of measurements because she has a lot of layers. So this bang in the front is 7 inches. One thing about the bang, it does flop in the face a little bit, but I'm just pushing it out of the way. Eventually it's going to get trained and it'll stay out of the way. So, from the ear tab, this is interesting. I actually went and measured this because I saw these measurements and I was like, what? So from the ear tab down, it is 10 inches if you straighten out the curl. And I measured it with a tape measure and they're completely accurate. It is 10 inches. So 10 inches there, 8 to 10 inches on the side because of course you got different layers. The back, 8 to 10 inches also. And then overall from here down is 14.5. Now, measurements on me, 8-inch face, 4-inch neck, 21-inch circumference around. So I have a long face. 8 inches is a long face. We're talking a foot from forehead to neck here. So, you know, it may brush your shoulders more if you have a smaller face, shorter neck, and all that kind of stuff. So, just a little info. So anyway, this has been Kendall by Henry Margu. I love it. I love Henry Margu wigs now. I'm willing to try more styles, and I know the colors better now, so I'm excited about it. If you like what you see in this video, please like and subscribe below, and I'll keep on bringing more content. And until then, don't forget that you are beautiful. Have a great day. Bye.